Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create purchase order app in Glide, right? So let's open Glide. Make sure to add some of your team members into Glide so that we can use along with team and it would be easier to test that way. Now, once we get into Glide, we would get access based on the team member that we have, right? So in my case, I'm using one of the team members account and I'll be adding other team members into the project as well, right? So there is an option to do that within members, so you can add multiple members as well, right? So our goal is to create purchase order tracker. So I will go and open Excel sheet, right? So we are going to open that, create some test data into Excel, right? So let's say I will start from something like, say, item ID, then I will use description for that, then I will use quantity, right? And then I will make use of unit, then price, and then total, right? So let's say my item ID is B001. The description of that item is cleaner liquid. Quantity I'm selecting, say 2, then unit I'm purchasing 4, right? Or if you are planning on adding some unit price instead of just price, you can get rid of that. So we will use unit price here. So unit price is say 4.99. Let's move this particular column here, right? So like this we have total as well, right? So we will add all of that and see if you want to have formula based on quantity multiplied by unit price. So we can add that formula here. Simply use equals to symbol, then use, let's say, C2, right, into D2, right, and then hit enter and you have the price. So once we have this, we can add one more entry for your sake. So B00 B002, then let's add washer, then the quantity 3, unit price 3.99, and let's say B3 multiplied by D3. Sorry, we will have to add this, right? So use bracket all the time. So B3 multiplied by D3, hit enter. Often it gives the error because value used in the formula is of wrong data type. So 3.99 is fine to me, so I don't know what could be error here. So let's say if we use this, it should have proper formula carried over, right? Now I will save this and I will get into ODS format. So open data spreadsheet and say I save this as purchase order, right? And I save this, say yes, and that should work. Now if I save this and here if I choose new project and say purchase order app, use large screen, click continue, and if we import the file, ODS file, as you can see, it will be imported, it will be showing the progress, and it will take you to another page for that, where we will be having some team members that will be able to access this app and You can also view from their point, right? So we have users and purchase order. Here you can see purchase order. I can add space so that it's more of readable value, right? Simply use purchase order app, then B001 002. Let's make it grid, right? So in grid you can have much better view. As you can see, you have your purchase order details, your ID, then quantity, etc., right? You can even add images, and you have desktop view as well as your mobile view as well, right? You can also do the editing of the table through your data tab, right? Lot of settings you can adjust and view the app from another user's point of view. That would be one more thing. If you want to add new data, simply add it like this, B003, then description, let's say scratch guard, quantity 2, unit price 1, total 2, right? Now let's go submit, and you have like 3 details added. Now you are good to go with your own purchase order app in